Do you have kids? Do you want to see them be successful in life? Do you want to see them excel because you started them off with a good financial base in their life? This is something that I actually have done for my kids, and I wish my parents would have done it for me. They just didn't know what I'm about to teach you in this video. Something that I've set up for my kiddos, my two girls, that is going to ensure that they become extremely wealthy over time because of the power of compounding and some simple disciplines. So my name is Devin Burr. I went from being bankrupt, having $300 to my name in 2016, almost homeless, to now a multi-millionaire. I have many sources of income. I don't have to work. I don't need to clock in and work for money because I have money working for me. It's an incredible thing, and I have taught these things, these basic things, to my daughters. I'm teaching it to them so that way they don't have to go through the same struggles I went through. When I was 31, bankrupt, financially crushed. Everything was really bad at that point, but from that point on, 10 years later, I'm in a much different spot. So having my kids start off from a better or younger age is giving them a longer runway to build way more wealth than I have been able to, or that I will ever be able to, because of the power of time. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you exactly what I set up for my kiddos, how it works, how simple it is, and how you can do it for your kids as well. If you get value from this video, make sure to smash that like button. But let's jump into it so you can start setting these things up for your kiddos. All right, so first thing is savings. This is so huge. Most people do not save money. We haven't been taught to save money, so we just don't do it. The average in America, average savings rate in America is less than 5 cents out of every dollar that we earn. That's insane. So that means 95 cents out of every dollar that we earn from working, we spend our time, our most valuable and precious asset. We give up our time to make money, and out of every one of those dollars, we're giving away 95 cents to somebody else, to banks, to institutions, to interest, to taxes. And then we save, on average, less than 5 cents. There's no way you can become wealthy by saving only 5 cents out of every dollar. Even if you save only 5 cents, you still can't become wealthy by just doing that. You have to then take that 5 cents out of every dollar and know how to multiply it. So that's the first thing, is saving money. You have to instill this into your kids from a young age. So what I've done, this is with my older daughter, Haley. What I've done is she has her own job. She's had a job for the last 2 years. When she was 16, she got her first job. And what I do is I automatically take 20% of her income. So I have a custodial account. I'm on the account, she's on the account. I see when she gets paid her direct deposit. So right when it goes in, I take 20% of that money, automatically save it. So right there alone, just by doing that, she is 4 times ahead of the average person, because the average person doesn't save 20 cents out of every dollar. She's young right now. She's got really no responsibilities. She can easily save that. And even if I upped it to 30, 40 cents, she wouldn't really like that, but she would adjust her spending so that she has enough, because that 30, 40 cents is gone. I just did 20 cents out of every dollar. Okay, so that's the first thing I do, is I just automatically make sure she is saving money. I'm training her to understand that you gotta spend less than you earn. A lot of people out there are spending more than they earn. They're saving nothing, and they're putting stuff on credit cards. They're maxing those out. They're paying a ton of interest. It's a trap that you'll never get out of. And if you do get out of it, it'll take a very long time. So with my daughter, 20 cents out of every dollar that she earns, right off the table, going towards savings. Now, next, I'm gonna show you exactly what I'm doing with that 20 cents. And that way you can have an idea. Maybe you can do this for your kids. This isn't financial advice. This is for educational purposes only. But again, this is what I do for my kids. So I know it's gonna work, because when it comes to building wealth, it is a marathon, not a sprint. My daughter Haley is 18 years old, which is kind of crazy to think about, but she's 18. She's extremely young. So even over the next like 20, 22 years, when she's around my age, she's going to have a ton of money just by doing this one thing, saving 20 cents out of every dollar that she earns. Now let's jump into exactly what I'm doing with that money to help her grow it and to really give her a leg up on, I'd say probably 99% of all the kids that she's growing up with right now. You can do this too. You just have to have the knowledge. And then I've heard this all the time, that knowledge is power. I'm sure you guys have heard that. It's not true. Knowledge is potential power. It's only powerful if you use it. So I'm going to give you the knowledge. It's up to you to use the knowledge to give it power. So let's jump into what I do with that 20 cents out of every dollar. The first thing that I do, as mentioned, is I have my daughter save 20% out of all of her checks. You got to master that. Like even as an adult, kids, it's easier, but as an adult, you have to start saving money or you'll never, ever become wealthy. It won't happen. Mathematically, it will not happen unless you win the lottery, but then you'll probably be broke very soon because you don't know how to preserve capital and you don't know how to multiply it. So first thing I do, 20 cents right off the top out of every dollar is saved. So then what I do with my daughter's money, it's again, her money, I'm just helping her grow it over time. So 20% of that, of her income, it immediately goes to properly structured whole life insurance policies. So she has 3 life insurance policies on her life. Infinite banking concept. So I teach this a lot. IBC, infinite banking concept. Basically, she's flowing 20% of her income, her savings, towards this vehicle. Why are we doing that? Very simple. This vehicle is guaranteed to compound and grow tax-free. So she's going to get guaranteed growth. Her money will never stop growing regardless of what the economy is doing, regardless of what's going on in, overseas, regardless of what's going on here. Doesn't matter. These policies are guaranteed to grow. And then they're with mutually owned companies. So the company gives a dividend to their policyholders based on their profitability each year. These companies have been profitable that we use every single year for over 130 years consecutively. They know what to do with money. So they're always profitable, meaning they're always given a dividend. The dividend is just not guaranteed. But with the guaranteed growth and the dividend, it generally comes out to right around 5 to 6% tax-free growth. So that's the first step. I'm having her funnel 20% of her income, and over time it should be more as her income goes up, but I'm having her funnel that towards a policy that gets this kind of growth year in, year out, tax-free. To get that kind of growth in a taxed environment, you'd have to make around 9% before taxes. Who's doing that consistently? Not many people. She's getting that inside of her policy consistently every single year. So just by doing this, she's worked for the last 2 years, she has saved up about $9,000. So that $9,000 is going to grow into a huge number over her lifetime because compound interest is just money making money. And the longer you do it, the bigger it gets. She's only 18. She's got a long time for that to grow. So even if she does not add anything else to that 9,000, she's going to have a lot of money, but she keeps adding 20% of her income, and hopefully that rises as her income rises. So 20% goes there. It gets that kind of growth tax-free. It's also protected from lawsuits and judgments. In Arizona, 100% of the cash value inside of her policy is 100% protected. No one can touch it. So that means someone tries to sue her down the road, they can't get to that money. If it's just sitting in a bank account, they could take it on a lawsuit or a judgment. So that gives protection against the money. It gets growth, obviously, like I mentioned. Also, it gets a death benefit. My daughter is going to pass away. It sucks to think about. Hopefully it's way after I pass away, but it's gonna happen. When it happens, These policies give a death benefit, of course. It's life insurance. The death benefit is tied to our trust, our family trust. So as she lives a long, healthy life, the death benefit grows. That's how these policies are built, to have the death benefit grow over time. So when she passes away, again, hopefully way down the road, a big old tax-free death benefit gets paid to our trust. That trust then purchases more policies with that tax-free money, purchases more policies on other people in the family, her kids, if she's got grandkids at the time. It just, again, the family gets wealthier and wealthier and wealthier, because think about this. A death benefit gets paid out tax-free. If it goes into a vehicle, another life insurance contract that makes growth tax-free, there was never any taxes. And then the person that the policy's on after my daughter, the next family member, they're going to pass away at some point. So when that happens, tax-free money goes back to the trust buys more policies. Do you see how that works? It just gets bigger and bigger and bigger over time. This is what the Rockefeller family has done. It's called the waterfall method. So this is step one. This is the most important part. This is the foundation, because what these policies do is when you put money in, you can instantly use the money. You can use the cash value for whatever you want, anytime, no questions asked, no credit checks, no financial statements required. You got money in your policy with cash value, you can use it, period. So what we do is we take a portion of that. I just started doing this. We take a portion of this. I'm doing 10% right now. So all 20% is going into the policy. 10% then from this number is then going into, this is really cool. And I have a video on this. I'll link it up here at the top. This 10% is going into dividend paying stocks. They're called stock, or actually, I'm sorry, they're called dividend kings. Dividend kings. And you can look this up. These are the companies that have paid a dividend every single year for over 50 years. So we're talking about Coca-Cola, Pepsi, Procter & Gamble, Johnson & Johnson. These are the companies that just always do well. 50 years of dividends is a very, very good track record. So what we're doing is we're buying those dividend paying stocks using the cash value in the policy. So think about that. That is insane if you really stop and think about it. We're getting 5 to 6% tax-free growth, protection from lawsuits and judgments, an inevitable payout to the family when the inevitable happens. That's all happening, plus we're able to invest the cash value into something else that's going to make more than that 5 to 6% at the same time. So these dividend paying stocks over the last 25 years have averaged about 15% growth. That's crazy. That's only the last 15 years. So we're getting that growth into, we're getting the cash value into a vehicle that's been growing steadily for a long time and paying dividends. So we're getting that growth, whatever it might be. Let's say, call it 15% has been the average over the last, I think it's 25 years. So that growth is happening. She's getting that. I think I looked at this morning, she's got in her portfolio about $1,100 in her stock portfolio. So what we're doing, these companies are paying a dividend. So we're taking the dividend, which is, I think, quarterly. We take that dividend and we just buy more of the dividend paying stocks. So what's happening is she's getting an ever-increasing cash value, because 20% is always going to her policies to build cash value. The growth is there, so that's going to happen regardless. The dividends buy more paid-up additions. That's what gets the cash value in the policy. So you got an ever-increasing cash value tax-free. Also, the PUAs get a little bit of death benefit. So as I mentioned, these policies are built to have an increasing death benefit. So she's got an ever-increasing cash value, tax-free, an ever-increasing death benefit that will be paid out to the family, tax-free. Then she uses a portion of it, doesn't interrupt all this. This keeps happening. She uses a portion of it to buy dividend paying stocks that grow at, let's say, 10, 15%, maybe even, let's say, 8%. Still good if she's making 8% and 5 to 6 at the same time. And then we take the dividends every single quarter and buy more stocks. What that means is she has an ever-increasing stock portfolio. As she has an ever-increasing stock portfolio, she has an ever-increasing dividend. So every single year, her dividends are going to get bigger. They're going to buy more stocks. Stocks get bigger. That means she's going to get more dividend. So when she's even just like, let's say 60, still very young nowadays. 60 years old is not old. With modern technology, AI, and all those things, I think that we're all going to live into our hundreds pretty easily. As long as you take care of yourself, you don't get hit by a bus, right? So with my daughter, when she's 60, she'll have such a huge amount of, money in her stock portfolio, pumping off a huge dividend every single quarter. If she wants, she could just start pulling that dividend as income. And that is passive. She doesn't have to do anything for it. She just owns the stocks. But the whole time, all of this money is continuing to compound and grow like she never touched it. It's literally making money in two places at the same time. This is an absolute hack. Anyone can do this for their kids. You don't have to set up some crazy amount on a policy. My daughter, again, this is 2 years of her working. She saved about $9,000. So what is that? $4,500 a year inside of a policy. It's not crazy. And again, you could set it up to where, you could do this. You could have your kids work for you and earn an allowance, right? So that allowance, same thing. You take 20% off the top, put it into a policy for them, like I've done, and then as it builds up, use the cash value to go buy the dividend paying stocks. This is what I do. You could do so many other things. You could take the cash value and put it into crypto. You could take the cash value and buy real estate. You could take the cash value and do whatever. I just like the dividend paying stocks because it's a long-term play. And my daughter's 18. She's got a long time to live. So if it started now, she's going to have a ton of money. And we started this for her quite some time ago. Her first policy was when she was 12 going on 13 years old. I wish my parents would have done this for me. I am 40 years old, almost 41 here in March of 2026. If my parents would have done this for me, literally guys, I'd be making this video for you on a yacht somewhere. So this is something you can set up for your kids. It's not difficult. Our team, this is all we do is we teach infinite banking. So we don't sell life insurance. I don't sell life insurance. I teach the concept. And then to do the concept, you need a policy. The policy is the best thing to use when it comes to infinite banking. You don't have to use it. I'll link a video up here of how you can do the concept without a policy. But in the comments, let me know, guys, do you practice infinite banking? Do you have a policy? If so, what are you using it for? And if you don't have a policy, reach out to me and my team. Here's what you can do. In the description of this video, there is a link. Register for my free training video. It is 100% free. It'll give you literally step by step how this all works. You'll probably have questions, so write them down. At the end of that video, you can schedule a call with me and my team so we can help you set something up like this for you, for your kids, grandkids you can do it for. So I love this stuff. I could teach it until I'm blue in the face. And I love putting these out for you guys because hopefully it gives you a ton of value. If you got value from this quick video, hit that like button. If you are not subscribed to my channel, make sure to subscribe right now. Do it. It's crazy how many people watch my videos and they're not subscribed. It's like 70% of you guys are not subscribed to my channel. Subscribe to the channel, hit the bell so you get notified when I put out these videos. These are for you guys so I can teach you what I know and what's helped me go from bankrupt, $300 to my name, almost homeless, to now a multi-millionaire. So guys, it was a pleasure, a blast serving you. If you enjoyed this video, you're gonna love that one. Check it out next. Till next time, love all you guys. Peace.